Welcome to the first research rally for the academic year 2012. And what a way to go. We are going to celebrate one of the greatest successes of the College of Engineering today.
We have outstanding researchers here who work tirelessly on important, meaningful, and hands-on research and development projects. And today's celebration reflects a perfect example of that. We've joined some world-class universities in this project: Stanford, Cal Berkeley, and the Colorado School of Mines, and a handful of other institutions in using an NSF, or a National Science Foundation grant, to establish an engineering research center. And this center is dedicated to urban water studies. The NSF is investing, as Vimal said, $18.5 million in the center over the next 5 years.
I am so impressed by this being the recipient of this large grant. As the Vice President indicated, it is the pinnacle award at the National Science Foundation. When you get one of these awards, you know you have arrived. You are doing some very excellent work, some very great things. First of all, I want to congratulate Dr. Khan and his team. It's a great opportunity that they have created for the College of Engineering for New Mexico State University and for this state, as well as for the nation. The aging infrastructure in the water area is very critical.
But this project is about improving the water system in urban environments. That includes from drinking water supply to wastewater treatment, all the way from supply of drinking water, potable water, to treatment of the wastewater. And we want to make it eventually sustainable. In that process, we will develop some new technologies, new processes, and new systems, and also educate the new breed of engineers, young engineers, to take us to the next century with modern technologies, and set up an infrastructure which will work for another century. This process has been very rigorous. It took almost 30 months from the day one the call for proposals were announced. And then there is a competition among a lot of other high quality programs, and come up on top to get the funding.
I have a dual role on this project. I not only work on the research, I also work on the extension side. While the overarching theme is urban water infrastructure, but urban water conservation also plays a major role. We have to select plants and identify plants that are not only cold tolerant but also salt tolerant, because all of these waters that we now use for irrigation come with a higher salinity. So screening for salinity tolerance, identifying plant material that can hold up to irrigation water that is higher in salt is very crucial, and that's my role in this research.
I just want to express my appreciation of the administration. For example, the provost provided a faculty line, which is kind of great, and the department and the dean and the vice provost for research, everybody supported this project, so I appreciate that.